Hello students, this is your geography teacher Shobha Chaudhary. Now students, today you are going to learn the mineral deposits in our country in little detail. Now India has a wide variety of minerals. The plateau regions, particularly the Chota Nagpur plateau, have the highest concentration of minerals in the country. The mountains and alluvial plains of northern India are comparatively poor in mineral deposit. Let us see how our major mineral resources are distributed and used. First one is iron ore. Now iron ore is the most important metallic mineral. It is used for making steel. India is one of the world's leading producers of iron ore. Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. These are among the states that have iron ore deposits. India is a leading exporter of iron ore. Indian iron ore has worldwide demand because of its high quality. Next one is manganese. Manganese is used in the manufacture of steel and various other alloys. India is a leading producer of manganese. Odisha, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Goa are the chief manganese bearing states, and India exports a large part of its total production. Now next one is bauxite. It is the ore from which aluminium is extracted. Aluminium is a light metal used in the manufacture of airplanes, automobiles, electric wires, utensils and a host of other things. India has large deposits of bauxite. Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. These are the leading bauxite bearing states. India is among the leading producers of bauxite. It exports a large part of its total production. Now next one, copper. It is used mostly in the manufacture of electric wires and machineries. India has inadequate deposits of copper and has to import this metal to meet its requirements. Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand are the main copper bearing states. Now gold. Gold is commonly used for making jewelry. India has very limited reserves of gold and the annual production is low. Gold mines in the country are confined to the Kolar area in Karnataka. These mines are among the deepest in the world, which makes mining very expensive. Then mica, which is a non-conductor of electricity, has an important place in the electrical goods industries. It is also used in making paint, varnishes, etc. India's mica deposits are the largest in the world. Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Maharashtra and Bihar. Some deposits are also found in Rajasthan. These are the important mica bearing states. Then limestone. The sedimentary rock limestone is a useful resource used in the smelting of iron ore and in the production of cement and mortar. The major limestone bearing states of India are Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Meghalaya and Chhattisgarh. So students, these all are the minerals which is found in India. I told you copper we have to import from other countries. Some deposits are found here also, but iron ore is deposited here and bauxite, manganese, these are exporter, means we export to different countries iron ore, manganese, bauxite. Okay, thank you very much.